क्या है?
मेरा नाम नया है।
The government is pushing its weight behind Digital India. The idea is to make everything web dependent, from monetary transaction to filing forms and applying for passports. In this case, one would assume that government websites would be safe. Sadly, that isn't the case. Take for example websites of the Goa government which redirect users to porn sites. We can't be making this up. This episode detail emerged after activist Ramakant Konkar went through the website of Department of Legal Metrology Goa for his work. Thereafter, he learned that a link inside the website actually shows an adult content.
ॲक्च्युली पळोवपाक गेल्यार काल हांव एक वेबसायट ओपन करपाक गेल्लो लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी म्हणून गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा आनी अक्षरशः पळोवन म्हाका सरप्रायज दिसलें की तातूर पोनाचे प्रमोशन्स जाता म्हळ्यार आयज म्हाका दिसूं आयलें की बाबा हें कितें चल्लां बेजिकली आमी आयकतालें की गोंयान प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन जाता म्हणून पूण लिगली हांगासर गव्हर्मेंटाच्या डिपार्टमेंटांनी पळोवपाक मेळटा म्हळ्यार इट्स अ सिम्पल एक्ट आय फील सो आय डू नॉट नो वेदर दॅट सायट इज हॅक्ड ऑर वॉट इज हॅक्ड बट द थिंग इज लायक द कॉमन पीपल हू इज विविंग दॅट वेबसायट एटलिस्ट म्हाका दिसता सरकारान हाजेर नोटीस दवरपाक जाय आनी दुसरी गोश्ट म्हणटा ती crores of rupees has been spent to maintain these websites of throughout Goa. जितली डिपार्टमेंटां आहा तेंची वेबसायट्स आयदर चलना नाजाल्यार चलता जाल्यार असले पॉर्न स्टार्स बीन प्रमोशन जाता सो सरकारा कडेन म्हाका क्वेश्चन करपाक जाय की तुमच्या मनान बीन अशें येवंक ना न्हू जशें की तुमी आतां ट्रेडिशनली कसिनो इज अ डिपेंडंट म्हणटा आतां सद्या इतली वर्सांनी जेन्ना कसिनो ओपोज करून पयशे खावन आतां सद्या म्हणपाक लागले की वी आर डिपेंडंट ऑन कसिनो सो आय एम डाउटिंग रायट नाव की इन अनदर फ्यू इयर्स you might also say that we are depending on prostitution. Let's officially promote prostitution. So this is a doubt and this is a shameful act by the government and the whoever government officials जो आसा पळय DOIT जी आसा पळय तांच्यांनी एक कन्सर्न दाखयचें पडटलें कित्याक दे आर बीन मॅनेजिंग ऑल दीस वेबसायट्स एंड एवरीथींग सो I feel that government and the authorities are not playing a responsible role. That is the reason why all these things is going on. So requesting government to sensibly work on these particular issues because we are giving a different signal to the rest of the world and rest of the country also. If we are finding such kind of sites म्हळ्यार लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी असो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल सायटाचेर तर असलें येवपाक लागलें आनी कितें उरलें सो बेजिकली म्हजें कन्सर्न आसा आय फील दॅट गव्हर्मेंट आमचें एसेंब्ली हायजॅक जालां तें जाल्यात पण अशें दिसून येता की सरकारूय आय मीन गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंटांनी हायजॅक जावपाक लागलें इट्स अ सेम थिंग एंड आय डोंट फायंड एनी डिफरन्स बिटवीन करंट पॉलिटिशियन एंड अ प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन इट्स अ सेम थिंग टुडे यू आर ऑन आयज तुमी ह्या रुमान आहा फाल्यां तुमी त्या रुमान वता सो हातूंत डिफरन्स आनी कितें उरलें सो एकूच गव्हर्मेंट सरकारा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट आहा की हें जें कितें चल्लेलें आहा पळय तें मातशें मॉनिटर करा आनी मातशें ते सायटी ज्यो आसा पळय तांचेर मॉनिटर करून प्रॉपर एक्शन्स घेयात आनी ते सायटीचेर जें आसा पळय तें डिलीट तरी करा इतलें व्हायरल जावन सुद्दां ते वेबसायटीचेर ऑन उरप म्हळ्यार इट इज अ सिम्पल थिंग सो आय फील रिक्वेस्ट गव्हर्मेंट वील टेक अ नेसेसरी एक्शन्स एंड मेक द पीपल मेक द वेंडर्स हू हॅव टेकन अ कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट टू मेंटेन दीस सायट्स अकाउंटेबल थँक्यू
बिलपत इकलो कन्सर्न सिटीजन एंड गोंयचो रगंडार आयज म्हाका मातशें पेट्रोल पंप आहा म्हजो सालिगांव आनी हांव आमच्या सायटीर गेल्लो लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी सायट कंप्लेन घालपाक आनी ती म्हाका गोमन आयले सायट उगडटाना की एक पॉर्न सायट ओपन जाली आतां इट्स शॉकिंग यू नो पयलीं आमच्या गोंयचें नांव पिड्यार जाता टुरिजम ड्रग्स प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन एंड मनी लॉन्डरींग सगळें वायट जाल्लें आनी ह्यो सायटी ओपन जायत जाल्यार कितें मॅसेज दिता हें गोंयकार लायक गोवा इज फॉर सेल इट इज बिकम सो open now that सायटीचेरूय कितें गव्हर्मेंट सायटीचेर खंय जावंक फावना सो इट्स माय रिक्वेस्ट टू द गव्हर्मेंट एंड whoever is responsible for giving these sites whether it's under development or they're developed that this should not repeat and the government should punish the person responsible for giving this wrong information about a beautiful state where we so far have maintained it over the years with our mixed culture and harmony. And we have to maintain at all costs. So whoever is responsible for these wrongdoings on this site being developed or under development should be punished and government should act immediately. Thank you.
To get more information on this, we spoke to experts from this field, Aditya Parab and Snehal Jog from Goa Web Company. Let's hear what they have to say.
Hi, I am Aditya. I'm a product developer at GoaWeb.in. So I was today asked this question about what could have possibly went wrong with the meteorology website and why were, what could be the possible reasons of having such a vulgar post there. So firstly, I would like to point out it's not just that one post. There are multiple spam posts which were being done, and this being one of them. It's not that a certain user is doing it. From the looks of it, it seems pretty much, with a higher possibility that these are bots which are doing it. So how does this happen? One is the site is using WordPress, which is absolutely good, but it was last updated in 2018, which is a bad thing. You should always keep your core systems updated. Second thing, which is more than likely, which I feel is the possibility which happened here, is using unauthorized code or unauthorized plugins from untrusted sources. Now, how do you prevent these things from happening? Limiting the IPs which can access the backend, which is absolutely good. Only their network can access it. A couple more things which anybody can do here is introducing CAPTCHA. Like you guys must have seen a lot of times. You have to click "I'm not a robot." So those CAPTCHAs will help to differentiate between a user and a bot. Second, you can do is more than CAPTCHA is two-factor authentication. So in case anybody has access to your passwords and your personal details, they still won't be able to log in because they will need your phone. Like it's an OTP which you get on your phone before logging in. These are things which we do here. Like Goa Web is one of our product of our parent company Status. What we do is provide websites to a lot of small businesses. Even in that scene, we make sure all these things are taken care of because you require a subject knowledge on these things, and that's what we do. Security is something which should never be compromised.